In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Audacity files into MP3 quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. This is a super useful skill if you want to save your audio in a format that's smaller, more shareable, and compatible with most devices and platforms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Audacity project as an MP3 file in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Audacity file. Make sure the project you want to convert is already loaded inside Audacity and ready to go. Before exporting, it's always a good idea to quickly check your audio one last time so you know everything sounds the way you want it to. Once your file is open, look at the top of the screen and click the File menu. This menu is where you'll find all the options for saving and exporting your audio. After clicking File, hover over Export Audio. When you do that, Audacity will show export options that let you choose the format for your finished file. Next, click the Format drop-down menu. This is where you decide what type of audio file you want to create. From the list of available formats, select MP3 Files. MP3 is one of the most popular formats because it keeps the file size smaller while still sounding great for most uses. After selecting MP3, type a name in the file name box. Choose something clear and easy to remember so you can find it later without any confusion. Then, choose your folder in the Where or Folder box. This lets you decide exactly where the MP3 file will be saved on your computer, whether that's your desktop, downloads folder, or a custom project folder. Once the file name and save location are set, click Export. Audacity will now convert your project into an MP3 file and save it to the folder you selected. Depending on the length of your audio, this may take just a moment. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Audacity file into an MP3. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to get your audio ready for sharing, uploading, or archiving. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.